Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI just 6 days ago, to be exact on August the 8th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $18.38. And at this point my main assumption was that this asset had a very good bounce out of $15 mark, the level of support that I drew previously, and it had 3 waves out of potentially 5 waves to the upside. That should be the confirmation of new uptrend. As you can see, this video is titled wait for this pattern to form, and in order to confirm uptrend we have to see 5 waves to the upside that should be followed by 3 waves. On top of that, guys, we had a very strong level of support, as you can see this yellow line, and take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset didn't form its next leg to the upside, and it is not the best sign, but it didn't break this level of support either. That is why, guys, I have to admit that SOFI is still bullish, and as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video I will show you what was the news and what are the news that might be the catalyst for this stock for the upcoming week, and what should we expect in the closest trading sessions in order to confirm its uptrend. So let's begin with some fundamentals. First of all, we have to take a look at the general sentiment related to SOFI stock, and to do so, just type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to News tab folder. You will find several recent news, and well, I want to pay attention to a couple of them. First of all, to this one that was published on TradingView, and that is titled SOFI stock got hit with price target cuts after Q2 earnings. But the contrarian says market is missing bigger story. And here you can see some bullet points. SOFI now has twice as many products as members, with existing users driving 51% of new product openings, proving the everything app flywheel is accelerating. Multiple Wall Street analysts have recently lowered the price target on the fintech firm after its Q2 results, with Mizuho being the latest one to lower the price target on the company to $22 from $29. SOFI reported record Q2 revenue of $1.21 billion, a 43% increase from a year earlier, while diluted earnings per share came in at $0.12. And guys, let me pay attention to this news in details. First of all, very important step. Let me show you. Do we have? Yes, this is a very important chart that explains and that describes how the members versus stock price are growing, and we have from this Q2 of 2021 we have 518% growth in number of members, but the price is lower by 21%. Definitely this type of growth will be reflected in fundamentals a little bit later, within I believe 12 to 15 to 18 months. But at the same time, guys, one of the main concerns are the price targets from analysts. And if we take a look right here at forecasts, we have pretty much we are at the level of consensus analyst price target that is set at $19.63, which implies not more than 7.3% of upside potential from the current price. At the same time, guys, one of the concerns for the stock and one of the concerns that Anthony Notta told himself was the potential rate hikes because of the, well, not the best conditions of US economy in general. But take a look right here. This is the Fed Watch tool, and it is pretty much the probability of rate hikes in the upcoming Fed meeting that will take place on September 16th of this year, as you can see right here. And for now, we have almost 67% probability that the rate will remain the same, which means, guys, technically speaking, we have less obstacles for SOFI to hit higher targets, and that is why, guys, I'm still quite bullish on SOFI, and let me show you what should we expect next from the price action. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you know that, as you can see, SOFI is in sideways movement for quite a long period of time. It retested twice the level of support of $15, and it didn't break it, and it had the first set of waves that look like an impulsive movement. And to confirm the uptrend, we have to first of all see the breakout above this high. We shouldn't see the retracement of potential wave 4 below 50% retracement, below 50% of this movement. And if I measure this wave, you can see that it bounced out of 0.382. Very good level. And we have to see this type of movement at the very beginning of the upcoming week in order to confirm its first potential leg to the upside. Then it should be followed by three-wave structure as just a simple zigzag and ABC correction. And if this line, it is an additional option, but if this line holds, we might expect a very bullish movement to the upside. And if we zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, we have very strong level of support at $15. I don't think that SOFI will retest it within next maybe weeks or even months. And if so, guys, we have to see the breakout above the level of resistance that is set at roughly $19.8 to maybe $20 mark. And with this most recent first potential contender of the wave 1, we might expect this breakout in best case scenario. Wait a second, we might have this type of movement of the fifth wave that will break this top, and in this case the retracement will be not substantial, but we might also retest $20 mark and then have a retracement, we will collect more steam and hit higher price targets. That is why, guys, wait for this confirmation. I don't encourage you to enter your long position because well, the risk to reward ratio from the current price is not the best one, 9% to these previous swing highs and about 3 to 4% to the downside. Less than 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio is not the best one. That is why, guys, wait for this movement happens, then wait for this retracement, and at this retracement you will be able to enter your long position with an anticipation of the breakout above $20 mark. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium impact. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.